This is our Duo 100 model, primarily meant for summer houses, winter houses, campings, rental cabins. This particular one is made as a granny annex, so it's inhabited by one elderly lady. It has rather small bedroom, but for this purpose it's good. It's fairly affordable. The foundation is very simple, just 3 strips of concrete. It goes up really fast. I'd say that the structure and the exterior finish takes 2.5 weeks to complete. Interior, insulation and mechanicals and decoration, it takes more, of course. This client wanted to experiment with different finishing materials, so it really took some time, but the result is pretty good. It's 55 square meters of total floor area, including the loft. It is possible to equip it with a full-size kitchen. It has plenty of storage space. It's warm, very energy efficient. One specialty about A-frames is this cavity under the eaves, which can be used both for storage and running your utilities. So when you put the doors, you can always access the wires and tubes, but you don't need to see them. For Duo series, it's about 3 feet high and 2 feet deep, or 60 centimeters and 1 meter. Duo is for summer houses mainly. Trio is for living houses, and in living houses you want to have living house furniture, right? In Trio, it's the height is 160 and the depth is over 1 meter, definitely. You can add dormers and skylights to kind of customize it for your liking. The size of this cabin is 5.7 meters wide and 10 meters long, and it's 5.1 meters high. Trio cabins are 9 meters wide and 8 meters high. That's the main difference. Trio series is meant for bigger buildings. This is truly a compact living, something between a tiny house and a real house. So, buy it.